Welcome to Earn Smart Nigeria. If you've ever tried to make money online, but ended up giving up, this video is for you. Today, we'll break down why most Nigerians fail at online hustles and how you can avoid those mistakes and start earning smartly with just your phone. So if you're ready to stop wasting time and start earning results, stick around. This could change everything. Before we continue, please tap the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss money-making tips that actually work. Every day in Nigeria, thousands of people start online hustles, from affiliate marketing to freelancing, YouTube to surveys. But guess what? Most of them quit within just 30 days. And no, it's not because online income is fake, it's because they go in without the right mindset or plan. Let's break down the 4 most common reasons why people fail and how you can win instead. 1. They start with just vibes, no plan. Many people jump into online hustles because someone on TikTok said, "You can make money fast." They don't study the platform, don't learn the skills, and don't set realistic goals. Solution: pick one hustle. Learn everything about it using free tools like YouTube and ChatGPT, then take small, consistent action. 2. Chasing too many hustles at once. One week, it's freelancing, next week, it's affiliate marketing, and next week, it's TikTok, but no results. Solution: focus on one platform, one skill, and one income stream until you master it. For example, commit to freelancing on Fiverr alone for 90 days before adding anything else. 3. Expecting quick cash. Let's be honest, we all want fast money. But online hustle is not a lottery, it's business. Solution: set realistic expectations. If you're consistent and serious, you can start seeing results in 30 to 90 days, but only with discipline. 4. Not willing to learn. Some people refuse to watch tutorials or upgrade their skills, yet they expect to earn like professionals. Solution: use free tools like Canva for design, ChatGPT or Quillbit for writing, CapCut for editing, Sealer or WhatsApp for marketing, Fiverr Learn or YouTube courses for skills. Learning is not optional, it's the entry price to online income. Now, let's talk solutions. If you want to succeed online in Nigeria, follow these steps. 1. Pick one hustle: freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, etc. 2. Learn the tools you'll need for free. 3. Start with what you have, just your phone and a little data. 4. Be consistent: post, pitch, or promote daily. 5. Track your progress weekly, even if it's small. Remember, consistency is harder than motivation, but it's the only thing that works. Making money online in Nigeria is not easy, but it is possible. You don't need a laptop, you don't need capital, you just need your phone, your brain, and the right mindset. If you can stay focused and avoid the common traps we talked about today, you're already ahead of 90% of people. So what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, click subscribe to join Earn Smart Nigeria. Check the description for free resources and tools to help you start today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.